Hi, my name is Faisal from EFL Malaysia. Thank you very much for inviting me for this conference, and it was a pleasure. But it was very thought-provoking exercise that I had discussing with members here. So thank you once again. It was a very important event. Thank you very much.
Yeah, hi, my name is YB. I think thanks for inviting me to join this EGN network. So I think one of the biggest takeaway that I have from this EGN network is that, it's good to network with people that like-minded people who are willing to share openly and help out each other in a way that, that is beneficial for everyone. So thank you.
Andy Chiu, I think the sessions of EGN is very fruitful and informative, and it's a very casual setting of meetings that allow everybody to share their thoughts and feedbacks about some subject matters.
Hi, I'm David from Razer. First of all, thanks for the invitation for the event. I guess it's been very amazing in a short span of I think three hours. In the session, I made a lot of new contacts at no cost to me, to be honest. All right, and yeah, I heard many new amazing ideas. I mean, people or peers have a lot of issues, but it brings me back to my drawing board and start thinking, relate back to my job in my organization. So I think it's amazing platform for me to to have a new breakthrough, I guess, in my work and my career. Yep, thank you so much for the invitation again. Have a good day.
Okay, one thing I get from today's session is I learned how to be vulnerable, like what the topic talked about, and then that I think the event was being organized very professionally, and that everything was being organized professionally, and then in a very safe environment. And also one thing I get away is how to be able to network sincerely, genuinely, and without any motive, but come here to learn, to give my best, and also to learn from the rest.
So hi, I'm Kumara. I think today's session was really great. I think the one thing I learned was, looking at a problem differently and hearing different ways of approaching that problem, and thinking outside the box a little bit too. So I think that those were my key learnings today. Thank you.
I'm Shivani, and I am the advisory board member for Girls in Tech Kuala Lumpur. And today's workshop with Nick, this was absolutely an amazing interaction that we had. And personally, I got the flavor of what EGN is all about. I mean, I had heard stories about how this can inspire, how this can help each other, this powerful peer network, how it can help all of us together to kind of grow as a community. But today what I saw is signs of people showing their vulnerability, talking about their challenges, and how beautifully the entire group, which was led by Nick and Donna, came together to help solve business challenges. And I personally had so many learnings to take back, and not to forget the amazing friends that I made. And I think some of the conversations that I have had, they are going to stay for sure, and some of the connections that I built were really nice. So I had a fantastic day today. Thank you.
Hi, this is Ajay. I run Summit Next Technologies. We are a BPO company. Very exciting, very different session today, very different kind of a networking session today. Lots to learn, lots to hear from people that are here. I think I would definitely want to be part of EGN and see how we learn and grow from the network that EGN has built in Malaysia and across the globe. Thank you. All the best to EGN.